Nothing beats a steak that's juicy, flavorful, and tender. So on those occasions when you want to splurge a little, I have just the thing. If you have a food processor or a blender, now would be a great time to take it out. And if you don't, no worries. You can chop all the ingredients by hand. We start by placing a bunch of fresh parsley in our chopper, along with some olive oil, fresh lime juice, a bunch of peeled garlic, and a generous amount of salt and pepper. We put the top on and pulse it until everything is well combined. You may need to scrape down the sides a couple of times, but that's easy enough. Now we pour all but 1/2 cup of this over a beef skirt steak, cover it, and place it in the fridge. After an hour or so, you'll want to turn it over so every inch of our steak soaks up all that goodness. Then it's cooking time. And you can do this indoors on a grill pan or out on your charcoal or gas grill. It only takes minutes before everything smells garlicky delicious. Once your steak is cooked just the way you like it, slice it across the grain and get ready for one of the most flavor-packed steaks you've ever eaten. To get the recipe for our garlic lover steak, you know what to do. Visit our website. I'm Howard in the Mr. Food Test Kitchen, where today we found a garlicky-good way for you to say, ooh, it's so good. Mm-mm-mm-mm-mm.